Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one, not necessarily because it was a red day, but more so from a technical point of view because it ultimately broke down through a level that had been doing such a good job of holding up as support up around the $2.10 mark. I mean, you go through the history of things and you can see 210 did a great job of providing support there, and then you fast forward to right there, did a good job. Temporary fell back below it, but that didn't last very long. The price snapped back above it. So going into today, it was a question of, hey, okay, good to see that 210 provided support. Good to see that there's some strength showing. Hey, maybe things are going to try to get turned around. But then all that was, destroyed during the first 30 minutes when the price came back down to that green line. And this time it broke down through it with no looking back, and down it went from there. And I go through all that because that area is now a very critical area from the flip side of things. So while it's no longer a support, there is a foundational rule in charting which states when areas of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of movement where the price consolidates out and then starts to work its way back upwards, the big question mark now is up there at $2.10, and in the form of, well, yeah, if the price can get up there, that's good, but that'll be a big test in terms of, well, just how strong is any sort of actual bounce. So keep an eye on 210. That'll be, like I said, a very critical level moving forward. As far as levels of support are concerned, let me squeeze down the chart here to offer up more context and show that it's been quite a while since the price has been down this low. So as far as levels of support are now moving forward, next key level going to be down there at the $1.90 mark. So keep a close eye on $1.90, and that is coming from all the way back here in this portion of the chart where it did a good job. But of curiosity, let's see, when was the actual dates of that? Yeah, back in early October. So, I mean, we're talking about multiple weeks since the price has been down around this area. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. But as of right now, not the greatest way to end the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.